Big update coming in. Home Minister Amit Shah has called for an emergency meet on the coronavirus crisis in Delhi. This meeting will be attended by Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal as well at 5 p.m. The meeting will be held at the Home Ministry. Amit Shah will be present, so will Kejriwal. The Lieutenant Governor will also be in attendance. Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan and other top officials are also going to be a part of this meet. This comes as we've seen an unprecedented spike in COVID cases in Delhi. In the last 24 hours, 7,340 new cases have been reported and 96 deaths have been recorded in the last 1 day. So amid the third wave that we've been witnessing in Delhi, you're seeing now the centre also stepping in. Ashutosh Mishra is joining us with more details on this. Ashutosh, the last time around when we saw a huge spike in the number of cases, it was brought under control by close coordination between the centre and the Delhi government. And there's no doubt with this meeting, the aim will be to do that again.
Well, as soon as we have seen the number of cases are spiking up back in Delhi, Delhi Chief Minister in fact had sought a time to meet the Home Minister, and the agenda was to have also reserve bed, not only the ICU beds, but also reserve beds in the center-run hospitals which are existing in the national capital. So now, amidst of that, the Home Minister himself has called a meeting with the Lieutenant Governor, with the Chief Minister, the members of Niti Aayog, and also the officials from the MHA. So clearly, the committee headed by Dr. V.K. Paul, there will be, certainly some advices that will be on the board. And remember, it was the Dr. V.K. Paul committee which had in fact predicted that during the festive season, the numbers are likely go up even up to 12 to 15,000 cases per day in the national capital alone. But so far, it has touched only 7,000, 8,000 cases. And remember, Delhi continued to having a highest number of testing per million, because in many the most parts of the country, we have seen the people who are defying the rules, the markets. Clearly, there is no strict vigil. But if you reduce the number of testing, that is certainly also going to drop the number of positive cases. So there are cases, as far as testing is concerned, Delhi, that remains higher, more than say 40,000 tests being done, and perhaps that's translating. But that is also now a matter of concern for the authorities and the government, because 7,000 to 8,000 cases, 90 to 100 people are dying every day. And now the pollution is making it a worst case scenario. The central government has intervened. The Home Minister has called a meeting. We'll have to say what significant measures are being decided and going to be taken up for next few days as far as national capital is concerned.
The Delhi government, no doubt, will also be discussing the healthcare facilities. There is a lot of talk that Chief Minister Kejriwal will be seeking for more beds in central government hospitals for COVID care alone. Ashutosh, thank you for joining us with all those details. Remember that this meeting is expected to happen at 5 p.m. this evening.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.